Alright, students, today we are going to be learning about Thanksgiving again. So, in the previous video, we talked about the Thanksgiving spelling words, and I told you that you were going to have an assignment where you were going to make a Powtoon about your Thanksgivings. You're going to talk about what you do, what your traditions are, and you're going to have 5 spelling words in your Powtoons. Alright, so this is going to be mine, and I'm going to show you just as an example. So I'm going to say hello, my name is Miss Hannah. Alright. I am so excited to be your teacher this year, but that's not what this video is about. I'm so excited to share my Thanksgiving with you. Look at that, guys. I've already used one of our spelling words. Awesome. Alright, the next one. I can talk about what my family does. My family eats, comma, plays, games, comma, and has fun. Look at that. I've used one more spelling word. So now I've got 2 spelling words down. I don't think I'll need these slides, since I'm just showing you. Do you guys understand now? So you're going to be graded on if you use the spelling words correctly, if the spelling is correct, if the capitalization is right for Indians, Thanksgiving, and Pilgrims. And don't forget to make it special. Make it all about your family, okay? Alright, when you're finished with these, we're going to upload them to our classroom website, okay? Do you remember where that is? Just go to your Google Sites, and it'll be right there, okay? Miss Keith's 2nd grade class. And just go up here to more, and there will be an option for homework, and you can submit it there, alright? Bye!